the first long trip that we're doing is a Chevy Stylemaster. It's 77 years old. Every fucking time I've driven it, something's broken, but there can't possibly be anything else left. So, what better to do than do a really long journey and absolutely send it. Are you ready? Are you steady? Let's go. But the glass needs changing because it's so scratched up I can't see a bloody thing. When the sun hits here it just turns into a white panel. Got my CarPlay up here, so we've got the music, we've got the sat nav, we've got food, shopping and fun. Fantastic. We've got my messages and my vocals up there, not that you can bloody hear anything. And then we've got my GPS speedo because the actual speedo don't work, and that is bloody accurate anyway. You can change that to miles per hour or kilometres per hour, whatever you fancy. So we've got about another 25 miles to go, and hopefully it's a success. They can't wait to find out in there. Let's fucking go. Don't panic, we're going a bit fast. I don't feel comfortable going very fast in this car, it's a bit bouncy. It's giving me the willies. It's all good fun, isn't it? It's all good fun. Give me a little awooga, shall we? Like a fucking choo-choo train. Brilliant. What do you reckon? You like it? You love it? Yeah. I love it! Don't pull out me, don't pull out me. The only thing is the brakes aren't very good in this. As all Chevys and all classics are. And I haven't put the brake booster in yet, but we just have to make sure that there's lots of room in front of us. Oh, it's lovely scenery as well, boy. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I think I must be getting old. Look, fucking Laura. Who put that fucking pothole in the road? Jesus, wet. If the answers need for that. Christ. Woo. Update you we'll update you when we're back. Let you know if we got home alright. Talk to you soon. We made it. We fucking made it. All them miles done. We're finally back. We're about 2 roads away. Nothing has gone wrong. What an absolute success. I'm so happy. My head is absolutely pounding. But we made it. We're all good. The car's good. And it is a massive success. So yeah, well done. Next task is to do the interior. The outside's done, do the interior, do the wheels and stuff like that. And once that's done, the shit will be going up for sale, as long as I don't fall in love with her. Anyway, have a good one. We've had a casualty. We've had a casualty. Oh no. But luckily, I seem to have lost a nut off the back of the light that was holding it on. So I'm going to have to get another cable tie. Cable tie technician's job tomorrow. Lovely. But that was all. Other than that, all bloody sweet. Can't believe it. Brilliant.